The secret to a perfectly cleaned home is being able to reach every corner of it. And this is possible thanks to the Hi-Move 4 cordless vacuum cleaner that is perfect for cleaning every surface. Solving every problem and reaching every corner. This powerful vacuum cleaner is lightweight, easy to handle, and creates a healthier environment. Extreme flexibility and LED lights enable you to spot and reach everything. The LED display informs you about the device. And its battery, that lasts up to an hour, can be charged anywhere. Reach the highest cleaning standards. No cord, no limits, multiple cleaning options. Hisense Cordless Vacuum Cleaners Hi-Move 4. Hisense.